Okay, maha. So, va ian a downsig, ounce and taigh. Agus yak calam. Chai calam yachi. As j bliadhna. As j bliadhna. As j bliadhna. As j bliadhna. Va calam adol yachi. Oidhche Shamhna. Oh, sounds familiar. I guess. Hula calam ceol. Ceol, okay. Hula ceol. Agus chunig taigh. An taigh. The same house. An taigh. As j bliadhna chunig calam an taigh. Oidhche Shamhna. I'll show you. Show an taigh. An taigh. An taigh. Fun door. Clever. An taigh. Chunig an taigh. Agus hula ceol is. Okay. Agus va dèidh a downsig. Agus a shane. Ounce and taigh. Whoa. Agus va ian. Ounce and taigh. Chunig calam ian. Sin ian ounce and taigh. Agus va ian a downsig con la ríis na dúine sí. Incheneach. Agus chai calam asteach gan taigh. Va calam ounce and taigh. Va ian a downsig agus huairt calam ian facamich. Let's get out of here. Ian, facamich. Come on, facamich. Agus huairt Ian Chanel mi agiri facal. Chanel mi agiri facal. Show Ian. Chanel mi agiri. Chanel mi agiri facal. Hamia downsig. Yeah, Chanel mi agiri. Mi agiri facal. Na bi gorach a chalam. Na bi gorach. Hamia downsig. Agus. Huairt calam. Right. Spochsin. Spochchen. 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 That's a shame. The sense of like, well, that's just too bad. Or tough. Tough. Haniel mi e giri fak, ha mi downse konladish na dunya. I guess, Spochchen, Ian. That's too darn bad. Spochchen. Ruk talamh Ian. Ruk yeah, show Ian, show talamh. Ruk he grabbed him. Ruk Ian. I guess, rak it. I guess show talamh. No, Hanya. No. It's kind of having a temper tantrum, right? Spochchen. No, I'm me a giri downsa. Spochchen. Ian. Too bad. Check. Ruk Ruk Yeah. Ruk talamh Ian. I guess. We're leaving. Fakamich. Fakamich. Leva. Gak. Talamh, I guess, Ian and Taigh. Gak. Talamh, I guess, Ian Nadunya she. I guess. Oidhche. Ian. And talamh. Whump! Face planted. Show talamh. Ian, Duli. Sorry, that's Ian. Oidhche. Ian. And talamh. Talamh. Oidhche. Ian. And talamh. I guess. Cha ro aun ach kraven. Ha ro aun ach kraven. Oops. Ugh. Haro aun ach kraven. He was just bones. Oidhche Ian een talamh. Or va a downsig con lydish na dunya shi son. Bliadhna. Yeah, I'd be pretty beat after dancing for a year as well. Yeah, haro aun ach kraven. This is our cautionary tale. Be careful who you dance with. Be careful where you dance as well as you enjoy your Samhain Eve and your Hallows Eve. So one thing I'd like to point out is that in this story we had a way to protect yourself against various spirits, whether you believe in it or not. My opinion is that you really can't go wrong taking precautions, just in case. So keep a piece of metal with you around Halloween time. Yeah, so you can think of it as Gaelic as helping you protect yourself as you go on through your life. Not bad for a language that some people says is useless or dead or not applicable to the modern day. Could save your life. Clever. All right, so let's refresh the story. Let's go through the whole thing. I'll retell it in one go, okay? Just to bring it all together. Clever. All right. Va gist yilian aun. Talamh agus Ian. Va talamh agus Ian adol yachi. Oidhche Shamhna. Huala iat kyo. Chunig iat Taigh. Va duine a shane agus a downsig ounce an Taigh. Chai talamh agus Ian asteach gan Taigh. Va Ian géirí daunsa. Va géirí daunsig. Agus háisich daunsig con lydish na duine. Va Ian a daunsig ounce an Taigh con lydish na duine. Agus va talamh a smúniach. Smúnich talamh. Seo avarasach. Ha an Taigh avarasach. Ha na duine ounce an Taigh avarasach. Agus smúnich talamh. Ha sé na duine shi a ounce na duine. Sé na duine shi a haunta. Agus ha na duine shi cunnersteach. Ó bhóv ha Ian a downsig con lydish na duine shi. Ó bhóv. Chur talamh snat. Ounce and doras. Carson. Well. Budin gaibh fácal. Le pís metalch. Ounce and doras. Chur é snát an san doras, agus burin gaibh fágal. Chai, calam, go ian, huirst, calam, ha mi a géirí fágal. Ha mi a géirí fágal. Agus huirst, ian, na bí górach. Huirst, calam, ian, ha na dúine cúnirteach. Fácamit, ian, fácamit. Agus huirst, ian, ha mi a géirí damsa. Chanel mi a géirí fácal. Huirst, calam, aríist, again, aríist. Ian, fácamit, ian. Agus huirst, ian, well, fák, maha, fák, maha u a géirí, fák. Agus gach, calam. As dé bliadhna, va calam a dul gachi. Oidhche Shamhna. Agus chynnig, calam an Taigh. Chúla é cio. Chynnig é an Taigh. Va dúine a damsag agus a shein ounce an Taigh. Chynnig, calam ian. Va ian a damsag ounce an Taigh. Chai, calam, isteach. Agus chai, calam, go ian, huirst é ian, fácamit, ian, fácamit. Agus huirst, ian, chanel mi a géirí fácal. Well, huirst calam, spochsin. Spochsin ian. Ruk é ian. Ruk é agus gach iad an Taigh. Ruk é agus gach calam agus ian an Taigh. Thuit ian an talamh. Thuit ian an talamh. Agus charó ann ach craven. Charó ann ach craven. Gléamh. Stay safe as we move into the dark half of the year. I'll see you next time.